Here I have BLACKVIEW BL6000 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable SwiftKey autocorrection feature on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, then go to the languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard, text correction, and here you have autocorrection. And by switching this feature you can enable or disable autocorrection on your BLACKVIEW. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.